Welcome to this tutorial on VEA versus VXUS, two popular Vanguard ETFs. In this guide, we will compare these two investment options and help you decide which one is best for your portfolio. First, let's start with the basics. VEA stands for Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF, while VXUS is the Vanguard Total International Stock Market ETF. Both funds track international markets, but they have distinct differences. VEA focuses on developed markets, such as the UK, Japan, and Canada, excluding the US. It provides exposure to approximately 3,800 stocks in these regions. On the other hand, VXUS covers both developed and emerging markets worldwide, excluding the US. This fund tracks around 7,700 stocks, offering a broader diversification. In terms of geographic allocation, VEA has a higher concentration in European markets, while VXUS has a more balanced distribution across developed and emerging markets. For example, VEA has around 50% of its assets in European stocks, whereas VXUS has approximately 40%. When it comes to fees, both ETFs are relatively inexpensive. VEA has an expense ratio of 0.05%, while VXUS has an expense ratio of 0.08%. Although the difference is small, it can add up over time. Now, let's consider the performance of these two ETFs. Historically, VXUS has outperformed VEA due to its broader exposure to emerging markets. However, it's essential to remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. So, which ETF should you invest in? If you're looking for exposure to developed markets only, VEA might be the better choice. However, if you want a more comprehensive international portfolio, including both developed and emerging markets, VXUS could be the way to go. Ultimately, the decision depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It's crucial to assess your overall portfolio and consider how these ETFs will fit into your existing investments. As with any investment, it's essential to do your research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. In conclusion, VEA and VXUS are both excellent options for international diversification, but they cater to different investment strategies. By understanding their differences and considering your individual needs, you can make an informed decision and choose the ETF that best aligns with your financial objectives.